working on the next video. In this video, we are going to create a new screen to display our example. As you can see, that I already have this here, but I'm not going to use that at the particular moment. I'm going to come up to source and right click on it. I'm going to say new, and nope, since I'm going to do a screen, I'm going to come up to here. I'm going to left click on here and say swing and say J-frame. And I'm going to call this example. And I'll say finish. I'm going to go ahead and remove the launch sequence as it's not needed. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to, once again, make it absolute. And I'm going to increase the size. And I'm going to go ahead and put a label on it like I have in the past. And stretch it out a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. And whoops. And change from new label to example. And let's make that 26. Say OK, and we're going to go ahead and center it. And it's been centered. And now I am going to want to do, we'll do a text area. And get the text area, we'll drag it. Whoops. Okay. And we'll drag it. Try to center it as much as possible. And here's our text area. And we'll come back to the screen. And our text area, we will come back to screen, and we are going to put WX example hold, copy. And that goes. And this is example. So we're going to go over here and we're going to take these off. I'm also doing the exact same thing on the one below for the Java. And I'm going to call this example. Example. And I'll just honestly cut and paste this one and overlay the one below since they're identical. Paste. And this is going to tell me that it's not matching. So it wants to add the parameter to example for working storage. So I click on it and it's been added. And now I'm going to go ahead and do a run and boom, let it go. I'm going to do COBOL. I'm going to select this and we get example. And there's the example. It's been added to the screen. So that part has worked. We'll show some more cleanup on this, on things that we can do, but so far it is working like we were hoping. All right, thanks for tuning in. And it's still on pause.